In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can hard reset the INIU portable charger power bank, and it's super simple. So what you want to do is that you just want to press and hold the power button for about 16 to 20 seconds. Let me show you. So when you're going to have your power bank, you're going to have the power button, and you just want to press it and hold it 60 to 20 seconds, and then it's going to reset for you. So this is how you're going to do it. I just wanted to make this quick and effective video, and let me down below in the comments if it actually helped for you. So you're just gonna press and hold the power button for about 16 to 20 seconds, press and hold, press and hold, press and hold, and then it should reset for you. So that's pretty much it. And I hope this video gave you value. Yes, you can like put the two cables in. There's also like some tips for that, but I really like this method much more, and I hope it's going to help you. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. So this is how you can hard reset this charger. So goodbye.